You've nailed it. Unpacking an English idiom. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very popular English phrase, "You've nailed it." This expression is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to nail something in English. The phrase, "You've nailed it," is an idiom that means you have done something extremely well or perfectly. It's often used to congratulate someone who has accomplished a task successfully or has given the correct answer to a question. The word, nailed, here is a metaphor, implying that just like a nail is driven perfectly into a surface, the task has been completed with precision. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. "You've nailed it" likely comes from carpentry, where driving a nail into a surface precisely is a sign of skillful work. Over time, this concept was borrowed into everyday language to describe any kind of precise or successful action, not just in carpentry but in all walks of life. Here are some examples of how you can use "you've nailed it" in everyday conversations. When someone answers a difficult question correctly, "Wow, you've really nailed it with that answer." After a friend performs well in a presentation, "You've totally nailed that presentation. Well done." To express that someone has understood a concept perfectly, "You've nailed it." That's exactly what the theory means. English is rich with variations and synonyms. Similar phrases to "you've nailed it" include "you've hit the nail on the head," means someone has described a situation or answered a question exactly right. "You've aced it," often used in the context of exams or tests, meaning you've done exceptionally well. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, "You've nailed it," confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and expressiveness to your language skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll have nailed the art of English conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.